Ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency but unsure where to start? We're breaking down exactly how you can use Cash App to buy Bitcoin, step by step, making it super simple, even if you're a complete beginner. First, you'll need to activate your Bitcoin wallet within Cash App. Just tap the Bitcoin tab and follow the prompts to enable your wallet. This is where your Bitcoin will be stored securely. Next, ensure you have funds in your Cash App account. Tap the Banking tab and select Add Cash to transfer money from your linked bank account to your Cash App balance. Now for the exciting part, head back to the Bitcoin tab and tap Buy. You'll be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can enter an amount in dollars. Carefully review the purchase details, including the current Bitcoin price and any fees. If everything looks good, tap Confirm to finalize your purchase. Congratulations! You now own Bitcoin. You can view your holdings and transaction history within the Bitcoin tab. Remember, Bitcoin's value can fluctuate, so do your research and invest responsibly.